Hello everybody, this is Steve once again from AAA Trucks in Monroe, Georgia, showing you this blue 2020 Freightliner Cascadia 126, the double bunk condo. This one has 473,000 miles on it. We got several of these available. This has been through our 128 point inspection. So they are good to go to work on day one. You see the electric APU there. We got super singles on the back. Talk to your sales rep about if you want to get those swapped out. We can put the gates on there for you if you prefer that. This is a fleet maintained vehicle. It's had a fresh DOT. It's got a Detroit 15 in it, the old DD15 Detroit. 455 horsepower. It's an automatic transmission, 12 speed. Let's see what else we got in here. You can hear it humming, sounds really good. And like all of these we got from Brown Transportation, they are clean and in excellent condition. Like I said, ready to go on day one. So if you're looking for a truck, help you make some money, come on down to AAA Trucks in Monroe, Georgia, and we'll get you rolling.